guys from my apartment. I'm gonna show them some real street magic. You guys like to see some magic?
You're the Chris Angel guy.
Fuck is that behind your ear?
Oh my god! What? What? What?
Oh my god, that was so. Oh my god.
Where did that even come from?
What the fuck, man?